Are you sure you did that to save me? Isang mafoggy na umaga sa ating lahat. Grabe yung fog dito, guys. Oh. Wow, it's almost zero visibility. Woo-woo. Ang ganda ng mga colors na nag-change. Mayroon na tayong red, mayroon na tayong orange. Meron ka Jimmy. Wow, it's so pretty. Yung reflection ng sunrise is so beautiful. Oh, I thank God for the morning. The heavens declare of His glory. The heavens declare of God's glory. Wow. I think it's my first time to drive something like this here in this area. Remember when we went to West Virginia? My gosh, that was crazy. It was even worse than this, right? Why is it always in this area?
Balance to valley.
Probably. Are you sure you did that to save me? Nahulog ako, guys. I have a big one here.
It'll be okay. You just have to.
Pero yung iniya ko is more of yung sumaklolo sa akin ng pogi. Yung sumaklolo sa akin ng pogi. Nahiya ako, nahulog ako. Pogi pa naman. Sumaklolo sa akin, sabi niya, "Are you okay, miss?" So I think I still look like a mess, right?
Yes, as opposed to what?
Huh?
As opposed to what?
Like ma'am or
A what?
a ma'am or a...
What do you think, ma'am, is for older?
I mean, for to be called a miss in the Philippines, you know, we always are, I mean, miss, even if they're
Well,
like girl.
Yeah.
Umiyak ako dahil sa kahihiyan. In fairness, guys, okay na yung pakiramdam ko. Gosh, ang sakit. Kasi bibili kami ng breakfast ko doon sa tindahan malapit dito. Tapos hindi ko alam na may ano pala, parang may indention ba yung daan. So na-slide ako, nahulog ako like na yung dibdib ko na igo sa simento ba. Tapos may gwapo, guys, may gwapo doon siya sa loob ng tindahan. Tapos nakita niya ako lumabas, tumakbo. Tapos sabi niya, "Miss, are you okay, miss? Miss, are you okay?" Tapos ang sakit talaga. Ang sakit talaga. Kasi ang sakit ng ano ko, wound ko sa knee ko. Hindi ako makaiyak muna kasi nahihiya ako. Tapos yun, tumakbo na yung asawa ko. So, umiyak ako. Tapos pinagalitan ko yung tao doon. May-ari sa tindahan. Sabi ko, trip hazard itong ano nyo, walkway nyo, Like, you better, I hope I'm not the only one who tripped there because you have to change that. You have to fix it. But anyway, enough of that.
Charge that.
What?
Make sure you charge that.
Yeah, I will.
Alright.
Love you.
You figured out you know how to put the.
Yeah, I've tried this one before.
You can always call them if you have questions.
Yeah.
Love you. Talk to you soon.
Okay, love you. At dahil dyan, ako na lang mag-isa dito sa bahay kasi may work yung asawa ko. Ang ganda ng morning, guys. O, tingnan niya. At napakadumi ng aming window. Kasi, ganun talaga pag may construction. Bye! Oh no, malapit nang maupaw itong mga kakahuyan namin. That only means one thing, malapit nang mag-winter. I don't like winter, guys. I really hate winters. Ang lamig-lamig. So, ito before. Tingnan natin kung anong itsura after. So, ating i-change yung grit na yan from this one. This is the new one that we got. Ayan, so yan lang muna today kasi nagka-aksidente ako kanina. Hindi ko natapos ang aking pag-send kasi nakadisgrasya ako. Hindi ako, pero yung ito, nasagasaan ko ang wire. Kaya nasamad siya. Takot akong gumamit ulit kasi yan nakalabas yung tinain niya. Yung bituka niya, baka makurinti ako. Yan na po yung final effect ng ating dark wood hardwood floor. Gusto ko sana i-lighter, kaya lang ito yung color na kinuha ni Cory. We'll leave that as is for a day or two para mamala siya before natin tatapak-tapakan. Now, I cannot switch off the chandelier there because this thing is still wet. I cannot walk through. Yan lang yung natapos ko. Ilang oras? My goodness, 4 hours. Yan yung natapos ko. I think this is okay, right? Do you like it, Borg?
Yeah, hopefully it dries before we start this again.
Yeah. Yan na. Nag-start na kaming magawa ng aming driveway. Teka lang, i-instruct ko muna si Dan kung anong gagawin.
Kung ito yung hindi ko kaya talaga sa trabaho na ito, tatayo, tapos babalik na upo, tapos tayo na naman, hindi kaya sa payod ko. Kaya I'm like really taking everything easy. Kasi, yung opera ko sa likod, ang grabe. Labas tayo, guys. Up lunch in a bit. I'm so hungry now. What time is it? I'm videotaping, by the way. So this, because we are in the middle of nothingness. So.
Oh. You what?
Hello!
That's that good dirt.
Okay.
Well,
done.
are you wanting all this gone?
Probably a foot away. I don't know. I'm so hungry, seriously. I wish Cory is here.
I wish it was too. For guidance.
Can we drive me around like
No. I would say it'd be funny.
Like I would like.
It'd be fun.
Mhm. So how does this work? I could probably try. Like this part here.
I don't care. It's yours.
What if I will die?
You won't die. You could break something, but you won't die.
Oh my god, this is going to be fun. Whew, cold. Okay, so. Ah. Ooh, there's a lever here too. Ah. Ah. Oh my goodness. Ah.
I told you how to go down.
I'm taking a video for the
Okay,